Hey everybody, this is Mackenzie. Welcome to Mackenzie Vlogs. We're on day 3. It's almost the end of the day. Day 3 of our New Hampshire trip. Well, it's been more of a relaxing day, especially after hiking yesterday. In all, it was like 4 to 5 miles and whew, yeah, I don't think I could do that again anytime soon. But it was a great view. Today, though, I've been reading a lot, been editing, been putting stuff up on private for now. I'm probably not going to be actually putting videos on public till 2025. But what does that matter to you? By the time you see this video will be public. So anyway, yeah, I'm just here with my puppy dog. Hi, Jack. Go subscribe to Jackie Boo. He's enjoying it here, I think. Yeah, we've just, for that first full day kayaking, and we also saw some family and stuff. That second day hiking with family and stuff. And today just kind of relaxing more, reading a lot. I'm reading this book by A.W. Tozer, Authentic Worship. This is probably gonna be a 5-star. This is it's not like it's the best thing in the world. Like, obviously, the Bible is the ultimate 5-star. The Bible can't even have a rating, for crying out loud. But I've been really enjoying this. This is gonna be one of my favorite books. I'm also reading an ebook on Hoopla of Cold Case Christianity by J. Warner Wallace, I believe. And that's been pretty good so far, too. I will be reading The Hiding Place by Corrie ten Boom at some point. And I'm just also reading Genesis in my Bible. And so, yeah, and I got some highlighters, with Bible study and book. This is actually like the first book that I'm highlighting stuff in it. Well, I may have done it before, but at least the first time in a while. Like, in a good while. So, yeah. Oh, Jack wants to make another guest appearance. Go subscribe to Jackie Poo at Jack the Beagle. So that's pretty much it for today. Tomorrow's probably gonna be a lot like today as well, but I might find something to do that I can, vlog. That's fun. I don't know. On Thursday, I'm not sure what we're gonna do, but I'd imagine we're gonna do something fun. And then over the weekend, like Friday and coming back Sunday, we're going to like Old Orchard Beach, I believe. So that's gonna be really fun, and I'm sure I'll be able to get a good amount of vlog there. So yeah, well, I'll just see ya in the next day. Hey everybody, welcome to Mackenzie Vlogs. This is like the 4th or 5th day. I didn't film any yesterday, so I think this is the 5th day. And we're gonna kayak again. We're about to kayak at a different lake this time. I want to see turtles. But yeah, we're on the lake. I think this is called Highland Lake, but there seems to be a bigger Highland Lake, so I don't know. It's nice. It's not that deep either. Water feels nice. I want to see a turtle. I hope I can see a turtle. But we're gonna kayak this thing. Mom, say hi to the camera. Say hi to YouTube. I just did a race with my mom and she won. She's been kayaking a lot more than me. I kayaked like what, twice last year, and this is the second time this year. Yeah, I'm a beginner. Guys, we're pretty sure that that up there is a bald eagle. And what's funny is that he has an American flag. I was like just saying like he has an American flag, and he does. That's funny.